Hello everyone. I'm doing a quick barbecue here, picking some things from the garden as well. Made some tabbouleh. But I'm going to show you right now, while it's getting a little hotter, the grill that is, I'm going to show you something that I've been doing while I'm waiting for that grill to get hot. Here is Egyptian walking onion. You can see the mounds in there. Let me zoom in. And also I have a clump right here. You can see the big clumping mound of Egyptian walking onion. But let me show you something what I do. Perfect. Right over here. You can see, I haven't collected them yet, or maybe I have. You see how they're, why it's called Egyptian walking onion? The bulbs grow on the top, they fall over, then they root and grow another one, and it keeps on walking over and over and over. But I'm going to show you something. Where is it at? I'm going to show you what I do. I only like propagating anything of the strongest. So what I like to do is I cut them like I did here. See all this. This is about, I would say, a month and a half ago. And I only pick the strongest ones. You can see how nice these are. Some of them are already growing. There's no water, no soil. It was just sitting in the heat in the summer and trying to grow. This shows me it's extremely viable and healthy. But when you keep looking, you can find out some heads, they start out amazing, but they died off. Here's another one that I don't really want to plant. See, it's kind of weak. I don't want that to propagate. I want stuff like that. Still green, beautiful. Look at how large. Look at this. Now remember, I cut this a month and a half ago. Look at that. That's what I want to propagate. You can see there's a lot of in here that I just don't want. You plant it once and you have onion bulbs, scallions, shallots or shallots, anything you want, right there, year long. Amazing. Okay, now it's going to be a little update. I put them, the bulbs that is, in water. And I see which one, I fill it up with water to the top. I soak them in water. They're drowning in water for about a day, 2 days. And I see which ones do the best. So you can see, like, big bulbs are still nice and green, like I mentioned in the previous few scenes, that this looks healthy. Well, I do see some root development, you see right there, but I don't see any growth. But look at these. Look at this little one, for instance. Now I thought this would have been weak because it's little bulbs. Look at the growth, look at the roots. So obviously this is healthier. This is a good way to figure out which bulbs are the healthiest to go and see. So I was about to plant this. Ooh, there's some roots. Well, we'll see. So I go through them and I go, oh, they look nice and big. There's not much growth, and the roots are turning brown instead of nice white. So yeah, so I'll just bury it. Here's the rest over here, the original, and the mound will keep growing. Now if it becomes a problem, you just dig them up. They're not that invasive. I remember somebody on Instagram telling me they can't get it into Florida because of they can't ship it to Florida because of that reason. So it is invasive in a way, because if you plant it here, in 3 years it could be all the way over there. But you just dig them up. It's not like it's from the rhizomes with like mint. Mint is my horror story. So I'm going to pick out the best and throw away the rest. Happy gardening, everyone.